This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights, entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Lisa Rowe and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, popular DJ Leonard Merciless Bartley was found dead earlier this week. Reports are that the body of the veteran artiste was found in the St. Andrew motel. Since making his debut in 1994 with Lend Out My Mercy, Merciless released a slew of hits including Dem Gizzada and Mama Cooking. Throughout his successful dancehall career, the DJ also won several clashes including a combined force of Ninjaman, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man in a lyrical face-off at Sting 2000. This was all before going off the radar for a number of years after. We send our condolences to the fans and loved ones of Merciless. In international entertainment, a contestant on Season 2 of the hit Netflix series Love is Blind is suing the streaming service over alleged breaches of labor laws. The contestant, Jeremy Hartwell, claims that producers required contestants to consume excessive amounts of alcohol, all while being sleep deprived, isolated, having limited access to food, and to top it off, they were underpaid. The lawsuit reportedly states that any cast member that decides to quit the show before shooting is completed would have to pay $50,000 in damages. The production company Kinetic Content has denied the accusation, stating that there is absolutely no weight to Hartwell's allegations. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds continues highlighting the late Sonia Pottinger, a remarkable Jamaican reggae record producer who is a force to be reckoned with in the music industry. Roots reggae later came about in the 1970s with shifts and changes to the industry, but Miss P embraced this shift, starting with the release of a song of plea, Stop the Fussing and Fighting by Culture. With the passing of Miss P's good friend and former rival Arthur Duke Reid came her garnering of the famed Treasure Isle Records catalog. Miss P used this to enhance her substantial reputation with even more superior recordings from an extensive collection of artists including Marcia Griffiths, Justin Hines and the Dominoes, Bob Andy, and Jackie Edwards. During this era, some would say the quantity of Miss Pottinger's recordings declined a bit as she concentrated more on the Treasure Isle catalog. She later recorded several singles including Stepping Out of Babylon and Naturally, the LP with reggae icon Marcia Griffiths. Miss P rarely made the golden era of music just that. She was awarded the Order of Distinction by Jamaica for her contribution to music, which was, without a doubt, an incredible contribution. Sonia Pottinger passed away on November 3, 2010. Despite leaving the world in body, her rich legacy in music remains to be enjoyed by Jamaica and the rest of the world for decades to come. And that's your bite for this week. Tune in next week, same time, same place for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, join DJ Edson today at Festive Friday's Car Park Car Wash and Bar on 12 Belmont Road. Start time 6 p.m. to midnight. This Sunday, July 24, join the Young Lion Craig Ross at Merrytone Sundays and have a merry time 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Venue is at the Regency Bar and Lounge. Call to make reservations. Go check out Light My Fire with Sean Paul, Gwen Stefani, and Shensia. A combo you never knew you needed. It's got the old dancehall reggae vibes with popping vocals. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Lisa Rowe. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.